Right, so naturally it's bike night and now it's raining, as you can kind of see. There is mountains there usually, like all there, all the way there, but no, just got ready on my bike and now it started raining. It was forecast for like 8 o'clock, but no, let's do it much earlier than that. What? Say hi to people. Say hi to people. Oscar. Say hi. Say hi. You don't want to say hi, do you? You just want to climb up me. No, not the leathers. Right. So, as I was saying, bike night. Second bike night of the year at Wasdale Head. I will be posting another video up probably just after this one, which was the first bike night, which didn't go entirely well. The bike night went well, but as soon as I'd finished the bike night, had issues. Was going along the road. It started raining, much like it is right now, and I was on normal, and I had my first ever off on the bike. I was traveling at about 20 miles per hour. I mean, I was traveling at 120 miles per hour. No, I was traveling at like 20 miles per hour, and there's kind of, at this time of the year, there's a lot of lambing going on, so there's mud on the roads, there's grease everywhere. Well, it'd been dry all day, just started raining, I was coming around a corner, and yeah, like nothing happened. The back tyre just slid out on a little bit of mud. So I did a full 180. I nearly saved it, but didn't quite. No damage to the bike apart from a scuff on the pillion and on the main foot peg. My little, I don't know what it's called. You know the little thing that sticks out on your foot peg that kind of, as you go around, you scrape them. Well, that broke off. And a little scuff to the bar end and a little scuff to the brake lever. But other than that, like, no problems. But I've got to get one of those. I think I'm gonna have to get a new foot peg with a new pointy thing. Well, I've got to get a new one of those. But yeah, so that happened, and then I rode home. Like, it was fine, wasn't hurt, although I did get a little bit of bruising on the inside of my leg. Yeah, but you'll see it. Spectacular. Anyway, we're going to head off now and head up to Wasdale Head, go grab ourselves a burger and a cup of tea, and I'll probably do like some actual footage of the bike night. We'll see. I said a lot of things very quickly there. And I didn't say that much. Anyway, say bye, Oscar. Say bye. Say bye. Cat says bye. Right, I'm going to say bye. And oh, by the way, we're not going on normal because it's raining. So we're going on the Himalayan, which needs a service. James, Hollywood, I will bring the bike in for a service. It is due, and there's a lot of stuff to go on this next few months, so yeah, better get it done. Anyway, speak to you in a minute. Bye. Oh, by the way, if the audio sounds really good, it's because of these. Yeah, microphones. Oh, and new cameras, so no more glitching out and breaking up. So anyway, bye. Right then, I don't know how well this will sound. Because it's now coming through the microphone which I have inside of my helmet, but it's not mounted properly because the mount's just come off, so oops. Oscar, move. Right. Mirrors are all good. I already know the brake's good, and we'll go. Oscar, move. So we'll see how this goes, how well it picks up the audio. I'm going to put this down because it's wet. Camera's probably going to get wet too. Roads are probably going to be slippy. All fun and games. Right. Anyway, so yeah, having my first off on the bike was... I think surprising is probably the word I would use. I figured when eventually I had my first crash it'd be a little bit more spectacular, but no, apparently not. It was a very slow speed 180. I'm sad that I couldn't have pulled off a 360. That would have been exceptional. yeah, you can kind of see, I mean, around here at this bit just here, the roads aren't too bad. Although I guarantee they're going to be greasy right now. But yeah, there's kind of a lot of grease on the roads at the moment. A lot of farm traffic coming on and off the fields, quads mostly, a few tractors. But down the bottom end of the valley that way, yeah, there's a lot of I think between Nether Wasdale and Sandton Bridge, there's a lot of mud on the road, and because that area there doesn't get a lot of daylight, and because it's kind of the angle of the fields, it just comes across the roads. I don't know how many people will be at bike night, to be honest. It's not the best. Although it could be worse. This is miserable weather. The burgers will taste good though. I hope they've got the fire pits going. Wipe the camera? Don't know if that helps. He needed to stop, but I won't say no. So, how well can you guys hear the audio then? Is it any good? Yeah, at the moment I've got Nirmal's due his first thank you, Mr. Bush. Nirmal is due his first, no, sorry, not his first, his MOT in this month, so April. So I think he's due the 19th of April. And Mitty here, Mitty is due for his first MOT, which is May or June, one of the two, so not far away at all. But yeah, so I've got to get booked in. For Mitty's MOT, which I'm not expecting any issues really, unless they point out the footpeg for whatever reason. I don't know if that's the thing. Just wiping the lens. I don't know if it's clean or dirty. I'm wiping it anyway. It's very strange. I know I shouldn't be, but I'm extremely nervous around going around a corner now, which it wasn't even a bad crash, but I'm just expecting that back tyre to kick out, and I'm not going fast, I'm not on any slippy stuff, but my brain's saying it's going to kick out. I'm sure it won't. I'm sure it's fine. The thing is, if I'd have been, the issue is my XSR has, I forgot what tyres they are, but they're not really suited to the roads around here. They're kind of city road tyres kind of thing. Like, the bike can do more than that, but the tyres, they're not ideal. Like, I mean, I take it everywhere, and I take it over the passes, I take it through everything, but it's not really designed for it. The bike is designed more for, as I say, for like cruising on urban roads and stuff like this. It's not designed for Wasdale, not really. What I did want to do is put a set of Pirelli Scorpions on, because Pirelli Scorpions are kind of a bit more suited to the roads around here, and I was kind of waiting until Nirmal's tyres wore out, and things, essentially till I needed to put tyres on. But after having that 180 on not that bad a surface, I'm kind of thinking, you know what, it's probably just worthwhile me getting some on this year before autumn hits. As for Mitty here has, I got rid of the, so last year when I started riding and I picked up this bike and then decided I was going to go off and tour around Europe, I'd already done like, I don't know, maybe 1,000 miles on Mitty at that point, just on the roads and the lanes around here in the Lake District. And the one thing I found with the stock Himalayan tyres is they were horrendous when it was cold or damp. They just weren't great tyres. And they were kind of getting a little bit worn on the back tyre. The front tyre was still fine, but the back tyre was just getting a little bit worn. So I decided before the trip that I was going to go ahead, and I was, bumps, clean the visor of the moisture and wipe the lens of the moisture. What was I saying? Derailed. So I decided that the Himalayan tyres weren't good enough. So I went and got a set of, even though like I could have got another 5,000. I probably could have done the European trip on the stock Himalayan tyres. I just decided it wasn't worth it. So I went ahead and I got a set of Pirelli Scorpions. No, I didn't. I'm telling lies. Pirelli Scorpions are what I want on Nirmal. On this one, I got a set of Conti Escapes, and they were, should I say, fantastic tyres. And I have done a lot of miles on those tyres so far. On these tyres. And they basically, they barely look like they've been worn in. Like, and I did, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles of off-road. I did thousands upon thousands of miles of, fairly quick, quick for a Himalayan, fairly quick. I'm always nervous of cattle grids, they're just so slippy. Fairly quick, like road riding, lots and lots and lots of bends, and yeah, like they're still like brand new, so I've been really, really happy with them. eyes are up. Yeah, it's miserable. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of people at bike night. Now, I don't think this van knows where they're going. Good to see that there is some cars here and bikes here. Not too... Say again? It's not too busy tonight.
It's fine weather riders, isn't it? Simon said he's got about 20 coming with him.
Oh, 20?
I don't know whether they're going to come because of this.
Yeah.
But how are you anyway?
I'm really good, thank
Are
you.
you right?
Yeah. Oh, after the 180. I was so close. I was so close.
Don't talk about awesome.
Oh, I genuinely thought I was going to be able to just stop and be fully recovered, but
Almost done it, didn't you?
almost. What happened is there was like a tiny bit of earth banking behind me, so if I hadn't have touched that, I would have been able to save it. But yeah, it didn't go entirely to plan.
It come off last week, I was telling you about. She's down here every week, no matter what the weather.
Always.
Not a fine weather rider. Megan, what's your name? Mark.
Hiya.
Maffa. Who? Maffa.
Maffa. Yeah, nice to meet you.
This is Megan. This is the girl. She's here all the time, no matter what the weather.
Yeah.
It's easy for me though, because I live in the valley.
Yeah, I know. This is the latest
How you
come off
like
the bike
this?
last week.
Right.
Say again?
How
But
you
not
like
on this, you
this?
come off on-
What, the Himalayan? Oh, it's awesome. I did
For Europe, isn't it?
I'm going to say I did like in 11 days I did 4,500 miles in 11 days, including like all the off-road passes over Italy and everywhere. Great bike, honestly. It's the not even a year. But no, it's been fantastic, and like I say, this thing gets me up like when I'm doing green lanes through the Lake District. Like I'll have people who are on the KTM 950s and stuff like this, and yeah, this is the bike that will get me up there like it's nothing, like an old Land Rover.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
But
you've got to get out when you can, but there's a few of these about now.
well, they're fantastic. Although these ones here now are dirt cheap. You can pick these up with next to no miles on, because they've obviously brought out the new 450 version, which is a bit quicker, and this is a bit slow.
Yeah, if it works, he's just bought the 450 from Collins.
Oh jeez.
I said, you like it, but it's like in like an army colour.
Yeah.
Like,
But yeah, you can pick these up now with like I say, like a few hundred miles on for about $2,500 with luggage and everything else. They're just
alright.
they're so good.
No, spot on. What did you do to crash?
Nothing. I was coming down, like we'd had a dry day, hadn't we? And I was come out from here and set off, and it wasn't on this bike, it was on me XSR, so a little bit more power, but it's got more of road wheels, like not necessarily 50/50s kind of thing like this. But I'd come down the road there and it just started raining as I got halfway along the lake, and I thought we were heading off to Birkefell to go to the snack box. And went along there, and as I'd come around one corner, only doing 20 miles an hour, like nothing, and only like coasting it. But what happened is, as we come around the corner, there was mud from the farmer's field that had just gone on the edge of the road there. Back wheel touched it, and I just did full 180, but stayed on it.
You said it was a crash, but you just doing
Yeah, exactly. I was just drifting. It was. I decided I wanted to go back home because it was raining, you know. But no, it's like for that
YouTube channel.
Yes,
I've just started. Yeah.
Right, because I'm pretty sure there's another lady with one of them as a YouTube channel. I thought it was maybe you there.
It probably is. Is it T?
British tea biker.
It is?
Yeah.
That's me! Oh my god!
Because I'm on her channel. I've got a bike, right?
Oh, we'll have to follow you.
Are you on YouTube?
No.
Oh, right.
You're going on the channel now, that's it.
It's dead easy to say.
But no, I'm only just getting into it, so I barely know what I'm doing. But yeah, it's fun anyway.
Yeah, you're going to show me how to edit, because I
Yeah, I'll do that.
When you get famous, you've got to remember.
You're like 5th or 6th video in now. That's it. You're there. You're part of history.
Well, we will see you again.
Good.
Yeah, good.
We'll see you guys later.
Take care.
Take care, yeah, you are. Will do.
Right, better park up.
Show them how it's done, Megan.
Right, so everybody else has now gone home. Bike night is officially over. It is horrendous weather. Look at it out here. Is this not the worst weather? Well, actually, it's not as heavy as it was, in all fairness. But still, not ideal for a bike night. I mean, you can see how bad it was. Look at the tables in here. But yeah, so I'm going to head off in a few minutes. Probably grab a few photos before I go. But yeah, quite a lot of people here tonight. Considering how bad the weather was, I think there was 11 new people who'd never been. And then there's probably about, I don't know, John will confirm the numbers, but maybe 10 or 15 people who were regulars. And then obviously myself, as always. But yeah, bike night, really good. Food's definitely improved since last year. Last year the food was suboptimal. We'll go with suboptimal. It wasn't the best. By the way, there's a pigeon. I can't not look at this. Does this pigeon on this tree not look like the saddest pigeon ever? Yeah, I'm talking about you. Are you not wanting food? No. Okay. But yeah, last year the food was, sit down, suboptimal. But this year they've massively improved the food. The burgers are all made in-house. The fries are fantastic. Everything's really good. And the staff are just phenomenally friendly. It's good. So if any of you get a chance, come through to Wasdale Head every Thursday night, 3 p.m. while late. Yeah, it's worth it. And as we get into summer and the days are a little bit longer and brighter and warmer and drier, even more so. But yeah, get up here, it's really good. Anyway, I'm going to pack this up, get on the bike and probably head over to the shops. Try not to crash on my way home. This is going to be a common theme now, so I'm going to try not to crash on the way home and then yeah, get the bike stored away, and I will talk to you guys once I'm on the bike. Bye! So the weather is horrendous. It's raining very heavy. Oh yeah, choke. Himalayan life though. It's like we're hanging around in the 1950s. Thank God for waterproof gear. So I'm probably not going to be talking a whole lot on the video back. I will just literally be riding and, well, not avoiding the rain because that's impossible. But yeah, I'm going to be heading off now. So let's go. Let's put the heated grips on. Water's coming down thick and fast now. very wet. Right. Lift on the bank. Came off the other day, just on this corner here. I'd come here and I'd taken a line here, which is a bit wide. But essentially, as soon as I'd touched this here, I did a 180 across the road and finished up just there, or just over there. Which was less than ideal. I was hoping I'd actually see my my metal footpeg here, but I think that might have been a bit optimistic. I'll have a quick look though while I'm here. I mean, I think it'll be toast, but yeah. Yeah, I came across and touched that bank just there, I think. It wasn't on the gravel, it was just mud from this field on this line you can see here. I don't know. Anywhere, that little metal thing will be on the side. There it is! There it is! It's there! And it's intact! Don't think I'll be able to screw it back in, but that's pretty cool. So yeah, there on a 180, I'm still recording. I am there at 180. My peg came off over there, I think I touched the bank, possibly here. That's what that little clump is there. Somewhere just there. I'm impressed that I found that. That's brilliant. I don't think I'm missing anything else from the bike. Oh, very chuffed. Barely even grazed. It's crazy. Oh, I'm really happy to have found that, even though, like, obviously I'm not going to use it. Well, I might be able to use it, I don't know. See if I can screw it back in. It's in my pocket. There we go. Oh, I'm well chuffed. I didn't think I'd ever find that. Right. Let's carry on to the shop. Need some milk?